A Clarendon family is now in fear after fire destroyed the house of their relative, Dermot Donaldson, who was killed weeks ago at New Bowens in the parish. They are treating the fire as arson and they're worried that they too might be in danger. More in this Primetime News follow-up.
Rewind to June 8, 2017, the day that 29-year-old Dermot Donaldson met his untimely demise. A day the community will not soon forget. 3 persons killed in one night. And yet another dark cloud over the community as Mr. Donaldson's house was set ablaze around 11 o'clock last night, days before his burial. One man who declined to appear on camera is crying arson.
In losing goat, in losing life, and then come burn on the house. And we have funeral tomorrow, which is Saturday, and we have Dermot for bury Sunday, and then come burn on the house last night. We traumatized the whole family.
He says he's fearful of what will happen next and is calling for unity in the community in the fight against crime.
So we don't know what this coming after. So look more from this sense, they look like they want to kill the whole family. You understand? And we don't want to go the wrong way. We want to go the right way and bury them peacefully and bury them in Jesus' name. Right? And we want the community to forget. We need them to stop. We need them to stop. It's too much. It's unbearable right now.
TVJ News understands that the family moved out of the house since Mr. Donaldson's death, so the house was vacant at the time of the fire. Meanwhile, the Clarendon police are investigating the incident. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.